Can we unlock any phone password using emergency call? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will see if we can unlock phone password using emergency call. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're trying to unlock your phone password using emergency call, that might not work because there is no legitimate or the legal way in order to unlock any Android device or any phone using just the emergency dialer. So for that, what you can do is the only option that you have instead of going to your emergency dialer is to use your Google account. You can use Find My Device. So for that, what you can do is open up Google in your other device. And in the search bar, you could search for Google Find My Device. Head over to the first link on your interface. So once you're here, you have to log in with your same Google account that you have used in your phone that is currently locked. So once you're logged in, you have to find an option as Erase Device. Tap on Erase Device and that will factory reset your phone where all of your data or the photos, videos or any other messages or data that you had in your phone will be gone after you factory reset your device. So that is the only way to unlock your device. Therefore, if you try to unlock your device to bypass your passwords using your emergency call that may be fake or illegal, the options that you can go through is your Google account through Find My Device. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.